Hey guys, so I'm gonna do something a little different. I got these wild caught sardines. Okay, I'm gonna eat these. And we got a cute little shirt, so it's meant to be. So anyways, the reason I'm gonna eat these is because I wanted to tell you about the benefits of sardines. So they're a small fish and they're very high in omega-3 fatty acids, which is good for your heart health. It's a good cholesterol. It's good for your brain, good for your skin, reduces free radicals. These are high in protein, also low in calories, and they have iron, calcium, little tiny bit of potassium. But the benefit of them is that they are the lowest mercury containing fish. And when you eat these, you actually are helping the other fish, such as tuna, catfish, other fish that eat these. You're helping to increase the population of those fishes. I know it sounds backwards, but that's the way it works. So anyways, here we go. These are Wild Planet, scale-free, sustainably caught in the North Pacific Ocean. These ones are not salted, so we'll see if they taste good. And again, I got my little tooth gap here, and trying to raise money to get that fixed. It's expensive to get a implant, so anything helps. And again, thank you to all my followers and subscribers and those who like and engage with my posts. Here we go. Okay, if we can get it open. Awkward. Okay, got it open. All right, so let's get the lid off. Okay, look at that. All right, and I'm just gonna be, I'm gonna be as natural as these fish are caught. Here we go. Let's see how they are. These are gonna be really good for me, and they don't smell like as fishy as like a tuna or a salmon. So let's see. It's not bad. They are actually really mild. They probably actually taste good with salt. Yeah. So I think it's like one of those kind of foods that people are like, ooh, weird. It's kind of how I felt, like, ooh, why would I eat a little fish out of a can? But I like tuna. So if you haven't tried sardines, I say go for it. Honestly, really not that big of a deal. It's pretty unremarkable, actually. I think it's just like more the thought an idea of eating a little fish. But fish is good for you. Low in calorie, high in protein. And I mean, it's just not that, it's not as popular as like chicken, beef, or pork. So actually, I'm really glad I did this video, and that I actually decided that these are actually good. Like, tuna has way more stronger of a flavor and a smell. And actually, tuna can be higher in mercury than these little fish. So I say, if you get a chance to try sardines, do it. Delicious. And if you have any other weird or different or unique food ideas or something that you'd like to see me eat or review, let me know. All right, thanks guys. Bye.